Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys long while setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys long while guys shortcut setting. And today video title guys how to show network speed on status bar. Friends, you want to on network speed on status bar. So how to on mobile network speed, Wi-Fi network speed in Lava Mobile. So one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So friends, scroll it, and friends you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So friends, click here Lava Mobile display setting. After on display setting friends, scroll it, and friends you can see here network speed setting. So friends, click here right side, and guys network speed will on in your Lava Mobile. And friends, you can on mobile data. So friends, I don't have SIM card. So friends, you have mobile network, you have your mobile data. So on your mobile data, and you don't have, so friends you can connect Wi-Fi network also. Open your phone Wi-Fi setting and you can connect Wi-Fi network in your Lava Mobile. After connect Wi-Fi network guys, first of all lock your screen, and friends unlock your phone. After unlock phone friends, you can check in left side guys network speed will show on status bar. So like that friends, you can check network speed on status bar in your Lava Mobile. And friends, you don't want to show network speed on status bar, you can turn off. After turn off friends, you can check network speed will not show on status bar. Network speed remove. Again if you click, so friends you can show network speed on your status bar. So like that friends, we can use network speed setting in Lava Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.